Before we begin this video, let's tune into a brief audio insights from the TCS management.
Macroeconomic uncertainties have resulted in greater caution among clients. Clients are taking a month-on-month approach, resulting in very limited visibility on their future spending, even within their own organization.
That was TCS management on future outlook on IT spendings. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: the future outlook of IT spending and the current state of IT sector. Many of you probably noticed the recent fluctuations in the stock market, especially in the IT industry. After Infosys Q1 results, the stock fell significantly due to its cut in FY24 revenue guidance. But does this mean that the entire sector is heading towards a slowdown? Let's dive in and explore the various factors influencing the IT industry future prospects. Before we delve into the future outlook, let's take a quick look at the recent performance of the IT sector. As of now, most IT companies have presented respectable performance in Q1. However, the overall macro uncertainty continues to be a concern, making it difficult to predict when the things will stabilize.
On how long, the near term or short term, your guess is, or our guess is as good as your guess, right? Will not be able to predict when the economic recovery will be there. I think you guys probably know it better. But our going in position is, we always said that the technology spend in the long term is likely to be strong, and that's validated by the TCV that we have in multiple verticals and geographies. And our pipeline has also remained very strong. In fact, despite the fact that we had a strong conversion of the pipeline into TCV, our pipeline has remained strong. So that gives us the confidence that our clients are continuing to look for investing in technology. But there is a near-term softness because of the uncertainty, and we find some of the, like low ROI or not so business critical programs getting paused or deferred or reprioritized. That's what is causing the softness in terms of revenue or conversion.
The IT industry has faced challenges in the past, especially during the period between 2017 to 2019. The advent of digital adoption led to a rough patch for IT companies, with concerns about permanent slowdown in the growth rate. Factors such as falling maintenance spend, post-cloud adoption and automation, as well as rising US protectionism, impacted Indian IT companies during that time. However, it's essential to note that Indian IT firms picked up significantly during the subsequent period, demonstrating their resilience and adaptability. They overcame these challenges by opening more near-shore centers and increasing local hire. History has shown that IT sector has recovered well from similar situations in the past. Currently, the IT sector is facing some uncertainties, making it challenging to predict its growth trajectory. However, there are a few indicators we can consider to assess the situation. Firstly, the Nasdaq and S&P 500 are recovering and performing well, which can be seen as a positive sign for IT sector. Secondly, despite incremental sell reports with brokerages, we haven't witnessed substantial sell-off in the IT sector. This could indicate that the pessimism is already priced into the stock prices. Thirdly, Gartner has forecasted worldwide IT spendings to increase by 5.5% in 2023 compared to previous year despite the economic turbulence. Now let's take a closer look at Nifty IT Index, which can give us insights into the IT sector's overall performance. Currently, the Nifty IT Index is trading at a range of 26,400 to 31,200 since April 2022. Despite a muted earning performance in Q1, the near-term demand outlook remains under pressure. However, any incremental positive commentary could be welcomed by the market, indicating a potential bounce back. The risk reward at this price level becomes quite attractive for investors and the tactical traders. Though the next 2 quarters might be soft, given the characteristic of good cash flow, large businesses and good governance, we anticipate a potential bounce back in the Nifty IT Index. Considering the uncertain macroeconomic conditions, investing in the IT sector might seem risky. However, if you focus on long term, there could be opportunities, particularly in the cloud migration space. The global economy will eventually get back on track, and there is likely to be a surge in the IT demand. In conclusion, while the IT sector faces uncertainties in the short term, it has a history of bouncing back from challenges. The current price levels present an attractive risk-reward opportunity for investors and tactical traders. Moreover, focusing on long-term potential on cloud migration could yield favorable returns in the future. As always, remember to do thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. We hope you find this video insightful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on financial market and its trend.